Alright, hey everybody, it is Tony and I am back. Recording this video outside on my patio. So let's get right to it. We're doing football today and a pack of baseball. Let's start with the football. You're going to have to help me with these guys. Unless they played at Notre Dame or somebody at Notre Dame played against, I'm going to be lost. Alright, Joe Hayden, Mohamed Sanu, John Ross III, Devin Singletary, Myles Garrett, Preston Williams, Matthew Stafford, I know him, Tay Sharp, Marvin Jones Jr., Marcus Mariota, I know him, Khalil Mack, I've definitely heard of him, Drew Lock, Allen Robinson, I've heard of Allen Robinson, Jimmy Graham, Will Lutz, D. Ford, James Bradbury, Aaron Donald, Grady Jarrett, a red one, Tyreek Hill, another red one, Dak Prescott, Harrison Bryant from Florida Atlantic rookie card, Josh Jacobs, some kind of deep dive card, Darren Waller, 3D, never heard of these guys, Nick Bosa, Patriots, Cameron Hayward, Austin Keeler, another deep dive, Alvin Kamara, Josh Jacobs again, another 3D, Aaron Rodgers, I know that guy, the Bears, Jake Luton from Oregon State, not sure on him, J.K. Dobbins, don't know who he is either, Vanderbilt, Keyshawn Vaughn, Jordan Love from Utah State, and Derek Brown from Auburn. Yep. Yep. That's about what I expected. Thought I'd try it. Now let's get to baseball. I know baseball. Manny Machado starts it off. Dwight Smith Jr., his dad played for the Cubs. Matt Chapman. Tyler Flowers. Jordan Zimmerman. Abraham Toro, rookie card. Raul Mondesi Jr. Jose Urena. Ben Gamel. Starling Marte, that's cool. Brandon Crawford, Austin Meadows, Rainbow Foil, these stupid Reese Hoskins charged, the 90s, Griffey Jr. All right, Turkey Reds, Alex Bregman. Hey, I like that Turkey Red. Mike Toshman, David Price, Roman Quinn, Joey Lucecci, Shohei. Yeah, just wanted to see. Buster Posey, Jack Flaherty, Brandon Drury, Hip Hip Jorge, Anthony Rendon, Steven Strasburg, Mitch Haniger. Is that a short? Nope, not short. George Springer again, Jake Rogers rookie, Whit Merrifield, and then Sam Hillard rookie card rounds it out. So that is my Monday pack rip. Football from Score and Baseball Series 1. Was able to find these at Walmart on 4th of July. And if you want some Heritage Series 1, come to Northern Virginia. We got plenty of that, and it ain't selling. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.